Good morning, campers. Sunday, December 13th, Central Pennsylvania. Out here for a nice little walk in the woods. Just getting out of the house. Deer season's over with. The rifle deer season's over with. So we're just, me and the dog's out for a little walk in through the woods, see what we can see what we can find. Why don't you guys come along with me and have a nice little day out and hike, a nice little day out in the woods hiking around. See anything cool, interesting, or hopefully get pictures from critters, I'll be sure to show it to you. Out it's a drizzy, rainy Sunday afternoon. Can't really get too much of a view for you guys. That's Pepper running up on me. Yeah, it's all mountain laurel around here. There go old Pepper. Yeah, the rain's starting to come in, so it's not going to be a long excursion. I don't see any signs of movement. Out here wandering around, kind of bushwhacking through the woods. But that's the whole intent today, is just exploring. Nothing particular we're looking for. Just out here to get out of the house. Hey, it's all mountain laurel all around us. Old Pepper's having a blast in the woods. Yeah, like I said, it's after hunting season. There's nobody else up here, so I don't have to worry about anybody accidentally shooting Pepper. If I was worried about it, I'd put his orange vest on him. What a beautiful way to spend a Sunday afternoon out in the middle of the woods, getting ready to have some coffee. It's just beautiful up here. Like I said, it's a rainy, drizzly day. A little chilly. I don't mind. I hope you enjoyed my short little adventure today. Not really too entertaining, too much stuff going on, but hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, share it with your friends. You all have a good day. Hope to see you on trail.